Good morning, welcome back to the channel. I've got a beautiful looking day, not a cloud in the sky. I didn't have the best sleep. Campground right next to the highway wasn't great. It wasn't too busy, but still every 10 or 20 minutes a truck would come by and super noisy and the lights flashing through the tent. I'll do my best over the travels to not pick any spots that are anywhere near a busy road. I'm hoping to get somewhere around Waterton National Park today, so that's about 800k away. So it's 7 in the morning, so we have a long day of driving. If I get there or anywhere close, then we'll look at doing a hike tomorrow. Otherwise, I'm all packed up, so let's hit the road. Okay, a slight delay of half an hour as my charging port inside my box, one of the wires came off, and then both the wires came off. So I was mucking about trying to fix that, so I'll have to make a stop at a hardware store and get some new connectors. Alrighty, what a day! I keep thinking there's something in my glove, but I have a cut on my finger, so it's irritating. Thank you, Jitters Coffee. I stopped there in September when I did the Idaho BDR here in Grand Forks. I've mapped out a potential camp spot. It's about 350k away, not far from the Alberta border. That'll get us down a dirt road. We'll see what time it is when I get around there, if I continue on or I decide to spend the night there. I'm really glad I switched to the DJI. I've been using my old GoPro for the face shot and the battery was fully charged. I think I've spent 3 minutes filming my face and the battery is almost dead. So how GoPro is managing to stay afloat is beyond me. To anybody out there who wants an action camera, I highly recommend the DJI. Forget about GoPro. Back to some high-speed highway action. In Preston, stopped for more fuel and got some dinner supplies, had a quick little lunch. I've got 70k or so and then we'll peel off onto a logging road. Start a short little adventure off-road. I just aired down my tires a bit. Cows in the middle of the recreation site. A picnic table and a creek and cows. I guess I'm eating steak tonight. Well, one thing I can be sure of at this camp is I won't have any trucks from the highway waking me up. Maybe the cows. If you can believe, they wouldn't let me catch them with my knife so I could have steak tonight. How can they be so uncooperative? Enjoying a hard root beer, 5%. Definitely take a dip in a little bit. Clean myself off. I'm gonna try the Lychee Follow Me drone app. Tried it in the past with no success, so I'm gonna set it all up and take a quick little boot down the road, see if it works. Okay, that was a big fat fail. I just spent half an hour trudging up into the bush looking for my drone. I took off on the bike and the drone was nowhere to be seen, came back and the signal was gone. It wouldn't connect, so normally the drone starts beeping and flashing so you can try and find it. The app wasn't showing anything, and so I kept trying to reconnect. Finally it gave me a triangle somewhere. No map or anything, so I was just following along for half an hour, trudging through the bush, and honed in, and turns out there it was, lying on the ground. So the Follow Me, for some reason, followed me right to the ground. So much for the Lychee Follow Me. Now I'm just gonna check out and see if it still works. Still works. I'm not out another 600 bucks yet, anyway. All right, I'm really ready for a dip in that creek. A little bit colder than I thought, but I need it. Tonight's dinner, chicken and bacon Caesar salad. I'll eat and then have a few maintenance projects. Other than that, I'll have a much quieter tonight than last night. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.